Oh, it's hot. Are y'all dry?
No.
We took our kids to the air show at Dyess Air Force Base in Abilene, Texas. We had to park what felt like a mile away. What sucked was that as soon as we got to the security checkpoint, it started to rain. But obviously, the show while we made the journey was quite exhilarating. And if you wanted to, you could actually give them money to drive these race cars around the track. Are y'all dry?
No.
Is there any part of you that's dry?
No.
That one's dry? Well, that's something. I'm not dry. There is nothing on me that is dry. But we're gonna go get some dry clothes that we have in the car. The problem is the clothes in the car, they are a little too big for y'all. They're hand-me-downs, but they're gonna be dry. So some people are walking around barefoot and we might have to join them. All right?
Okay.
All right.
But they have socks on.
You're gonna have to take them off. So now we're dry-ish, heading back to join our friends who are watching. They're all camped out under a B1. There's her started again. We're just barefoot.
What we got there?
And there was a birdie too.
Jaden, can you go straight?
Oh, look at it.
That was pretty crazy. You can smell it. There was also a jet truck. Oh, it's hot. After that, we met up with our friends and they took these goofy pictures of my second outfit of the day, which consisted of random dry clothes I found in the car. I didn't record very much of the show after it restarted, but Lowe's handed out crafts for the kids with safety goggles and aprons, and we bought some food from some of the vendors there. We got to see the best pilots in the Air Force fly right over us, the Thunderbirds. Was it glamorous? Absolutely not. I could not feel my legs for about 20 minutes, but we made some great memories. Thank y'all for watching.